So today, reading of the day, our experiment to verify the measurement of electrical quantities in DC system. So we are having the various components. The first one is battery, then second one resistance, third one diode, then we are having LED, which is called light emitting diode, then we are having transistor, and at the end we will check the continuity of our multimeter. So we will measure all the values by using multimeter. So first of all I am showing you what is the multimeter. So here this is your multimeter device. In this multimeter we are having the various ports below. You can see the first port that we can use for the measurement of voltage and resistance. Second one is used for common, and third and fourth ports are used for the measurement of current. Okay, and in the middle of this multimeter we are having adjustable switch. So we can adjust because we are having the various quantities in AC or in DC. So we can find it out according to our experiment. So how to measure the values? We are using two leads. Okay, so we are having the two leads, as you can see in the, yes, these are having the two leads, red lead and black lead. So red lead I will connect on the first terminal and black lead on the negative terminal. Okay, so here we are having these two leads, you can see. Okay, so these two leads will be helpful for the measurement of electrical quantities. Red lead for positive connection and black lead for negative connection. So our first component, that is the battery. Okay, so here we are having the battery. Okay, so here we will measure the batteries. So here we will measure the value of this battery. Okay, how can we take the values? Here we are doing the adjustable of our switch on this multimeter to DC voltage side. So we will rotate it on DC voltage side. So we are having the values, that is 20 volt. Why we are taking the 20 volt? Because the rating of our battery is 9 volt. Okay, so we cannot take below the values. So here I will measure what is the value of our DC battery. So here I will keep these two leads on this battery. So these are having the negative terminal and positive terminal. You can see our red terminal is on the small port and negative terminal on the big port of this battery. And here this is the our rating of this battery. So the actual value is 7.57 volt. So that is the measurement of our battery. Now next here we will measure the value of our diode. So here we will take diode. First of all I would like to adjust our multimeter on diode. As you can see, this is what is the diode. So first of all I will show you the component. This is our diode. Okay, so here we are having the diode. So in diode we are having the two things, positive and negative. So here we are having the gray line, you can see on the right hand side. It is showing the negative, and the rest one, that is the positive. Okay, so that is clear in this picture. Now we will measure what is the value of this LED, our diode. So we will measure this value. Okay, what is the value of this LED, our diode. So we will measure this value. Okay, so we have taken the value. So now it is showing around 0.505. Okay, so it may vary, so we can adjust it. Now our next component, that is our Zener diode. So next component, that is our Zener diode. Okay, so here you can see in this picture. So in this Zener diode, we know Zener diode performs in reverse bias. Okay, so here on the right hand side, it is pure negative connection, and the right hand, the left one, that is your positive. So we will measure in the same method by using multimeter. Zener diode, and it will show us the rating. So now it is showing around 0.550. That is the value of our Zener diode. Now here I would like to turn on our LED device. Okay, so we are having LED device, as you can see. So in this LED device we are having two terminals. Okay, we are having two legs. So big leg is for positive connection and small leg for negative connection. So we will turn it on, and I will keep the two leads of this multimeter on this LED device. Okay, so it will also show you some values. Okay, so intensity may be low or high. So you can see. So here our LED is turning on, and the value that you can see, that is around 0.048. Okay. Now we are having the various measurement of the different components, and the next component we are showing you our transistor. So here let's see, we are having a transistor over there. You can see we are having the three terminals. So we will check it, the type of our transistor, that is NPN or PNP. So for the measurement of this, we will replace adjustable switch on transistor side. You can see. Okay, so on HFE side, we will keep our transistor, and we will check it, what is the mode of this transistor, NPN or PNP. So here we have placed our transistor on NPN, and here you can see it is showing the rating, that is 365. That is the type of the transistor is NPN. Okay. So next is we are having the resistance. That is our last component. That is our resistance. Okay. So we will check what is the exact value of this one. So I will adjust my switch on this multimeter on the resistance side. Resistance, as you can see, and now it is showing the values. So now it is showing the around 0.32 kilo. Okay, so this is the method that we can measure the various components by using the multimeter. Similarly, if we want to check the continuity of our multimeter, so we have to go to the sound side. You can see we are having a speaker symbol on this multimeter, and we will check the continuity. How we can check it? That we have to make our joints of these two leads in this manner. So it is making a noise. That means our multimeter is in working condition. Okay. So these are some components that we have measured by using multimeter. So thank you so much.